Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be show you how to find Facebook drafts. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open your Facebook, and right now I'm going to make a caption here. Hello everyone, and now I'm clicking in this left arrow icon, save as draft, and the post has been drafted now. And now I'm going to open my Shelter, and here we can see your draft was saved. Tap to make changes. So here you have to click on it, and after clicking in this panel you will get your all the draft post, and from here you can delete your draft. You can open draft from here. So if I want to open this one, here we can see the draft has been opened. So this is how we can find Facebook drafts. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.